Have on. Have on. Meaning: to wear or have clothing or accessories on one's body. Example: she had on her favorite dress for the party. He had on a warm jacket to brave the cold weather. Have up. Have up. Meaning: to vomit or be sick. Example: the motion sickness made her have up her lunch. He had too much to drink and ended up having up all night. Have over. Have over. Meaning: to invite someone to one's home or a gathering. Example: we're having some friends over for dinner tonight. Would you like to have your classmates over for a study session? Have out. Have out. Meaning: to confront or resolve a disagreement or conflict. Example: they needed to have out their differences before moving forward with the project. It's important to have out any issues in a relationship to maintain harmony. Have off. Have off. Meaning: to take time off from work or duty. Example: I'm planning to have off next week to go on vacation. He had the afternoon off to attend his daughter's school event. Have at. Have at. Meaning: to attack or criticize someone verbally or physically. Example: the critics had at the actor for his performance in the play. She had at the difficult task with determination. Have down. Have down. Meaning: to master or understand something thoroughly. Example: after practicing for weeks, she finally had down the dance routine. He had all the vocabulary words down before the exam. Have through. Have through. Meaning: to guide or assist someone through a process or difficulty. Example: she had him through the difficult times with her support. The mentor had the new employee through the training process. Have in. Have in. Meaning: to submit or deliver something, often paperwork or reports. Example: make sure to have in your assignment by the deadline. They had all the necessary documents in for the application process. Have off on. Have off on. Meaning: to base one's opinion or judgment on something. Example: don't have off on appearances alone. There may be more to the situation. It's not fair to have off on rumors without any evidence.